In the previous video, I actually showed you exactly how you can set up Zoho email, business email for your businesses and for your domain name. So, and I showed you the step-by-step tutorial and exactly how you can do that. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download your Android app or for your Apple Play Store and actually log in and start receiving email. So you can easily use it for maybe receiving email and sending email just like you use your Gmail or your Yahoo Mail. So it's very simple and very straightforward actually. So all you have to do is to go over to your Play Store. So let's locate Play Store from our phone. So Play Store, then you are going to search for Zoho email. So then click on this search button, then search for Zoho Mail app. So over here, as you can see, I've already downloaded the app, and the app have over 1 million downloads. As you can see, that's have good rating. About 37,000 people have rated them that this particular mail is very, very much okay. So I'm going to open it and show you. So as you can see, I have a lot of mail that I've logged in for all my businesses. So I'm going to be logging in this particular one I just created recently. So show you exactly how you can use it. And one good thing about this thing is that whenever you receive any message, it's going to drop in as your normal Gmail. So unlike traditional way of you using your hosting provider, you cannot log in. They don't really have app you can use to log in and be able to receive normal email just like this. So for you to log in, let me go over to it, then click on add a new account. So it's going to take me to another interface. As you can see, this is the email we have to provided. Actually created an email which is support@shortowo.com. So you can actually use that email to log in, or you can use your email like your normal Gmail or your Yahoo Mail used to create the account. So let me go over to my account. Let me go over to my Gmail to actually get the email, the Gmail I use for this particular account. So I'm going to go over to my Gmail. Okay, so this is the email I use for the login. As you can see, welcome to Zoho email. So I'm going to copy this particular email. So copy the email, which is shoptoapp@gmail.com. Copy, then come over to Zoho email. So come over to Zoho email. Then I'm going to actually paste the Gmail over here. And I'm going to click on next to actually log in and just show you exactly how you can work. So I'm going to enter my password. Hopefully, I believe this should be my password. Then click on sign in. So as you can see, it is adding the email. So it's just automatic. So one of the advantages, as you can see, support@shoptowo.com has been added successfully. So notification for new email will be received by this app through the Firebase cloud messaging service by Google. You will review the notification settings under the settings section of this app. So I'm going to click on OK. So these are all email that I've been receiving. And one thing about this particular mail is the fact that if you receive any email, maybe your customer sends you the email, it's going to drop in just like maybe a message that you just received. As you can see, this is one of the email I just received from Zoho email itself. So I'm going to check another one. Okay, this is one of the sales I just received from Paystack. So I'm going to test it right now to show you that this particular email actually work. So let me go over to my normal Gmail. So go over to my normal Gmail. Let me try to send a mail from there to my normal Gmail to show you and test. So I'm going to say support. So that's the email. So I'm going to click on and say testing, then compose the email, which is also testing, to show you that you are going to receive the message instantly as normal message. Then click on send, shoptowo.com. Okay, send. So as you can see, we have sent the email. So let's go ahead to check our main box from Zoho email to see we actually receive it or not. And see we got a notification. So that is one of the good advantage of this using this particular app. So we have a new message coming in. So this is the new message. We have testing and testing. So if you actually want me to set it up for you, you can actually drop the request inside the comment section below. I will definitely do that for you. And if you want to set it up yourself, I have a link inside the video description. So that link is going to give you $100 credit that you can use to create this account. I have a team, different thing you actually want to achieve using Zoho email. I hope this video actually help you out to actually add your Zoho email to mobile app so that you can receive message directly into your main box. Thanks for watching today's video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.